Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how to install Laravel on Mac. Open the terminal. First step, install Composer by Command Pro install Composer. Press enter. Then install Laravel by Composer space global space require space double quotes Laravel slash installer double quotes press enter. To open bash profile by sudo space nano space tilde slash dot bash underscore profile. Press enter. Enter your PC password. Add the composer export. Save the file. Press Ctrl C. Then type source space tilde slash dot bash underscore profile. Enter. To check Laravel version, type Laravel maxv. To create a new project, Laravel new my first project. In this way, the Laravel is installed and ready to use. Thank you for watching.